Cloud Mentors. Inner Circle, your path to success in tech and entrepreneurship. Achieve your goals in 2025 with a year of personalized mentorship. Break into tech, cybersecurity, or entrepreneurship with a proven step-by-step path designed for learners starting from scratch. Most training programs leave you with general knowledge and no clear path forward. The Cloud Mentors Inner Circle is different. Personalized mentorship. Work directly with an expert mentor who tailors the program to your goals and guides you every step of the way. Hands-on learning. Build real-world projects in a sandbox environment designed to simulate professional challenges. Proven path to success. Our year-long program helps learners break into tech careers, start businesses, and achieve professional milestones efficiently. One-on-one mentorship. Your mentor will be your personal guide, helping you overcome challenges, refine your skills, and stay on track. Professional sandbox access. Gain access to a private sandbox environment where you can build your portfolio, experiment with new tools and technologies, launch a prototype for your own product or business. Custom learning path. Together with your mentor, you'll design a plan focused on your unique goals, whether it's breaking into cybersecurity, landing your first tech job, or starting a cloud-native company. Year-long support. For 12 months, you'll have consistent access to your mentor, regular check-ins, and guidance to tackle challenges and seize opportunities as they arise. Career or business development guidance. Learn how to turn your skills into income, launch a business, or create a career roadmap tailored to your goals. The Cloud Mentors Inner Circle is designed for beginners with big goals. Whether you're switching careers or just starting out, we'll help you build a strong foundation. Aspiring entrepreneurs, ready to launch your own business? We'll guide you in creating your first product or service and building a portfolio. Professionals stuck at a crossroads. If you're ready to take the next step but don't know where to start, this program gives you the clarity and structure you need. View profiles of current active Cloud Mentors in the Cloud Mentors app. Fill out a skills form. Once you enroll, we'll send you a short application form to let us know your goals and experience level. If you have a mentor you'd like to match with, you'll be able to let us know who at this point. Match with a mentor. Based on your application, we'll pair you with a mentor who specializes in your area of interest. If you want a specific mentor, you'll be matched with them based on their availability. Start learning. Your mentor will help you design a personalized learning path and provide continuous support daily, weekly, monthly throughout the year. Achieve your goals. Whether it's launching a career, starting a business, or mastering new skills, you'll leave the program ready to take on the world. The Cloud Mentors Inner Circle is your fast track to success. Ready to get started? Join now. Don't wait. Spots are limited, and mentorships are assigned on a first-come, first-served basis. Start your journey today. Join the Cloud Mentors Inner Circle.